The girl who traded anger for smiles. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a little girl named Aisha. She was bright, kind at heart, and loved by many, but she had one problem. Aisha often got angry very quickly. If her brother borrowed her toys without asking, she shouted. If her friends didn't play the game she wanted, she stamped her feet. Even small things like her mother asking her to help with chores made her frown and complain. One day, Aisha's grandmother noticed her anger. She called her gently and said, "Anger is like a heavy bag of stones. If you carry it everywhere, you will only get tired. Would you like to learn a little magic trick to feel lighter?" Aisha's eyes widened. "Magic trick?" "Yes, Daddy, please teach me." Grandmother smiled. "It's not real magic, but it feels magical. Here it is. Every time you feel angry, imagine you are trading that anger for a smile. Smiles are lighter than anger, and they make people happy." Aisha giggled. "But Daddy, how can I trade something invisible like anger?" "Try it and you'll see," her grandmother replied, patting her head. The next day, Aisha's younger brother spilled water on her drawing. Normally, she would have yelled at him. She clenched her fists, but then remembered her grandmother's words. She took a deep breath, forced a small smile, and said, "It's okay, I'll draw another one." "Just be careful next time." Her brother looked surprised and quickly hugged her. "Thank you, Appy." "You're the best." Aisha felt lighter inside, almost like she really had put down a heavy stone. Later that week, Aisha's friends were playing hide-and-seek, but they refused to change to her favorite game of hopscotch. She felt her anger rising again. Then she whispered to herself, "Trade anger for a smile." She smiled and joined the game instead. To her surprise, she had so much fun that she forgot about being upset. From that day on, every time Aisha felt angry, she remembered to trade it for a smile. Soon the whole village noticed the change. Her teachers praised her for being calm and friendly. Her friends loved playing with her even more. And her family felt peace in the house. One evening, Aisha told her grandmother, "Daddy, your trick really works. I feel happier now. But tell me, where do all the smiles I give away go?" Her grandmother laughed softly. "Smiles are like seeds, my child. When you share them, they grow in the hearts of others. And when people smile back at you, those seeds blossom into a garden of happiness." Aisha's heart filled with joy. From then on, she became known in the village as the girl who traded anger for smiles. Moral of the story: smiles can heal hearts and spread happiness, while anger only creates distance. When we learn to let go of anger, we make room for kindness, peace, and love.